This is the weather forecast video for Monday, August the 22nd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness over the plain states and into the desert southwest, and also along the eastern seaboard where there's been some shower and thunderstorm activity there as well. The watch warning map from just after midnight, only one flood issue over New Mexico. The rest of the nation is fairly quiet at this time. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. Outside of the tropical moisture over Florida and the eastern seaboard, the state could see anywhere from a tenth to maybe an inch and a half of rain. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a northwesterly flow aloft with a ridge over New Mexico and Texas and a trough over New England. With that, we could see maybe a late day shower or storm over western Iowa. Otherwise, high pressure will dominate everywhere east of I-35. Highs will be in the low to mid 80s Tuesday. Some showers and thunderstorms will be moving across the state. Chances of rain about 30 to maybe 50%. Highs in the 80s to possibly a few 90s. Wednesday, maybe an early morning shower, especially in the far eastern counties. Otherwise, skies will be turning partly to mostly sunny with highs in the lower to middle 80s. By Thursday, high pressure, clear skies with sunshine, highs in the low to mid 80s. But the main attention will be turning to that tropical system over Florida. By Friday, it'll be about Orlando or Daytona Beach. But in our weather, a cold front will be moving into northwest Iowa with a late day shower storm there. Saturday, that front will begin to push what is likely Irene, because it is Irene, up into the Carolinas. Sunday, that front becomes diffuse over the state here, while the tropical system will be nearing Charlotte with some heavy rainfall from there northeastward to the megalopolis. A week from today, you can see the vortex over the middle Atlantic states and another one much weaker over the western Great Lakes. And with that, we have the remnants of Irene over about Maryland near Baltimore, and another storm system in the western Great Lakes, Minnesota, Wisconsin, down into Iowa, Missouri, and into Oklahoma. Move further into Voodoo, September the 2nd. West-east flow across the U.S.-Canadian border with a ridge over the south. And with that, maybe a shower or storm here and there, isolated at best, with seasonal temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. At the end of the forecast, September the 6th, a big vortex over western Ontario, another vortex over the California-Oregon coast, ridge over Texas and New Mexico and Arizona. With that, a big low pressure just off of Hudson Bay, and the 540 line getting ever closer to the U.S.-Canadian border shows that fall is not far away. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.